air filter element should be cleaned at intervals specified in the periodic maintenance and lubrication chart. Clean the air filter element more frequently if you are riding in unusually wet or dusty areas. So you have to take off this panel right here. I'm just going to go ahead and take off the seat first, so you can see it's behind this. So I'm going to pop this one out a little. I don't think you really need to, but it won't hurt. So there's actually 2 screws here. You know, they're probably the Japanese standard screws, but I'm just going to use a Phillips. Yeah, they're not in there too tight. So just like full disclosure, I've never got in here before, so I might make a mistake or two. If I do, I'm sorry. I don't mean to mislead you. Let's pop this off. All right. It's like, yep. Let's pop it out. There you go. Here's the air filter. There's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. They look like similar screws to what's look at this. Got some cedar needles. Last time I rode. Oh, good one. All right, here's the foam. It's not too bad. That was weird. There we go. Pretty smooth. 1, 2, 3. And there should be a 4th around here somewhere. There it is. Over here. So this is the Maxima Racing Oils air filter cleaner kit. So it came with the air filter cleaner, which cleans foam and fabric filters, and the spray-on air filter oil, which also works on fabric and foam filters. I gotta rinse this off. So you're gonna rinse this off with warm water. If it's really dirty, you can do this twice.
Why?
Ooh, you smell that? That's stinky, huh?
The paper.
Now, the instructions say that this is important, that you submerge it in hot soapy water. Didn't say what kind of soap, but I'm assuming dish soap. And then take it out and rinse it again.
You kind of wet and kind of not.
Did they get really wet? No, because I have rubber gloves on. Thank you. I'm gonna squeeze all that water out. All right, now that this is clean and dry, I'm gonna use this tacky spray-on air filter oil, inside and out. Looks good. Took the opportunity while I had this off to clean it out a little, clean off that. So here we've got this air filter. It's gonna fit. It's cut in a very unique way that would only fit and if you put it on there correctly. And same with this. Fit that in there or it's not going to go on correctly. So that's all on there. And there we go. Now, just make sure you have all your screws handy. They're just covered in oil and I don't want to get it all over my camera. Don't forget that this is going to have to go in this hole right here. There we go. And then, you know, I got the handy as my medicine containers. All right. And also pop this loose just in case. So let's just put that in, and yeah, plastics are all in. Case is on there. All we have to do is put the seat back on. All right. So if you want your engine to last forever, and if you take care of it, it is a Yamaha engine and it will last forever, make sure that you change your air filters, clean your air filters, and do whatever it takes to keep everything healthy. All right, well, next week I'm going to be back and we're going to do some oil stuff. I have a couple other things I'm going to do. So anyways, thanks for watching.